If you have a WooCommerce store that accepts multiple currencies, you may at some point need to know how many orders were paid with each currency. However, with WooCommerce this is not a simple task, as you would need to open each order and review this information individually. That's why we're going to use the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin, which allows you to view and manage your WooCommerce orders using an intuitive spreadsheet. You can search for all your orders using any field as a search filter, bulk delete thousands of orders, export orders to a CSV file and import orders to your site with a few clicks. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. The search tool allows you to filter your WooCommerce orders using any field as a search parameter. In this case, we'll use it to find all orders based on the currency they were paid with. Once the tool is open, tick the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Now let's select the order currency field. Leave equal as the operator. And select any currency to filter your orders. Finally, run the search. Once your WooCommerce orders are filtered by currency, you'll see them all displayed on the spreadsheet. Managing your WooCommerce orders with WP Sheet Editor will improve your productivity considerably, as advanced and combined searches are really easy, bulk changes can be applied in a couple of minutes, you can quickly export your orders to a CSV file to share reports with your customers or your team, and you can migrate all your content from one site to another easily and quickly. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.